Welcome to GetSoftwareSales.com. In today's digital world, web visibility is more than just an online presence. It's how you legitimize your software and establish trust with potential customers. When customers search for your software, they need to find you across the internet. Let's dive into the tactics on how to make your software brand legitimate and credible. Step 1. Optimize your website. In today's world, you can create a website with AI in a matter of minutes. Your website is the destination your customers reach once they find your software on the internet, so make it count. Showcase customer testimonials, product features, and up-to-date content that clearly explains your product's value. A clean, professional website with relevant information gives visitors confidence in your product. Step 2. Leverage SEO to increase visibility. Search engines are always looking for new content. Use targeted keywords and create valuable content, like articles, videos, blog posts, or how-to guides that align with what your audience is searching for. Good SEO doesn't just increase traffic, it reinforces your legitimacy when potential customers find you at the top of search results. Step 3. Establish a strong social media presence. Platforms like LinkedIn, X, and YouTube can help you reach a larger audience. Share updates, customer success stories, and behind-the-scenes content to engage your audience and build a community around your brand. An active social presence shows potential customers that you're a reputable, customer-focused business. Step 4. Gain credibility through reviews and ratings. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like G2, Capterra, and your own site. Positive reviews add a layer of authenticity and social proof that strengthens your credibility. List your website at every possible location on the web. If you don't know where, Google your competitor and see which websites they are listed on. Building your software's legitimacy starts with being seen in all the right places. Visit GetSoftwareSales.com and find a partner that can drive you to your first million.